Alright everybody, welcome to the Watt Garage. And it's not quite done. We have doors propped up because there's no lifts in. Getting some bikes restored here. We got stuff like that going on. Kid stuff, my stuff, kid stuff, a whole vehicle, upper top end. We got four-wheelers, we got go-karts. We got customers' cars with no heads because they got dropped off at the shop today. We got parts cars. We got project cars. We got go-karts to be done. We got old bikes to rebuild. We got go-kart engines to swap, mini bikes to fix. If you look way over there, there's a lot more stuff to come. Alright guys, I'm getting pumped to get this channel going again. So make sure you follow along, you like, you subscribe, hit that notification. Things are going on here, the sun is setting. I got a lot of stuff going on here. Over the next week, I'm going to work on trying to finish up the garage so I can make the doors operational. So I don't have to be rebuilding customers' cars outside. So I can pull engines out of vehicles, pull transmissions out of a customer's car right here, out of a cruise. Got to get all this stuff done so we can move in. Like I said, we got some awesome stuff going on. The mini bikes, the restoration of the old Trailblazer that I picked up, smoking deal. We got old go-kart frames and four-wheelers all over, and a big four-wheeler. We put big go-kart buggy, we put a four-wheel engine in already. We got the big go-kart for me, the human-sized go-kart. We got 11 horsepower Honda engine, chain drive to go onto that. I'm just waiting for a clutch, and then we'll work on fixing that up. Have some friends come on to the channel to help out with things and help make this channel awesome and pick things back up. So I just want to throw this out there. This weekend I will be working on stuff here at the house. The customer's car with the Bronco, the heads just got dropped off the shop. This is going to take 4 or 5 days to do a valve job, get them decked, clean, checked, and ready. So hopefully maybe this weekend we might work on a go-kart, a mini bike or something. Maybe drop an engine out of the CRV. I got parts coming for other stuff and secret project you don't know about yet that you'll definitely want to follow along and get ready to watch and check out. So with life calming down on the house build over the last few years and finishing up some stuff and getting paperwork done and mortgage and all that blah 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 stuff, I will be able to get back to building again and doing all these things. So literally the last year I've been buying projects and I haven't stopped buying projects, and so I need to finish some projects. So we need to get some stuff done. I need to get bike tracks built, bikes restored, go-karts to drive on the track done, etc, etc. So you guys do not want to miss out on Wide Open Throttle Garage. Again, smash that like button, hit that notification, and follow along for more, because it's going to be awesome. There it is, CRV with no doors. It does run and drive. It was tipped on its side off of a U-Haul trailer, and now I have it for an engine. You may guess what we will do with it in the future, and it's going to be our big project coming up. So this was kind of going to be first taking out a couple old engines and parts, taking out some other engines and parts, and getting things together so we can build this project coming up. I am so pumped. Like I said, I've been collecting parts, and I bought more parts today, and we're getting stuff going, and I have some help, and I have a garage, and I have multiple garage doors, and I will have a lift in this one, and I have welder coming, and working on really getting things set up so that we can have some solid DIY building experiences in the garage. Have fun with my kids, have fun with my friends, have fun with these cars and do silly things, because it will be awesome. So make sure you follow along. So here's a quick clip of a friend's car doing some ripping donuts in the yard, because that's what the Watt. Say what? The Watt factory, the Watt field. I don't know, we need a good name. We need a good name for this. For the field, for everything, for doing all the fun stuff out there. Ripping donuts and just having a good time and riding and racing and do whatever I want, because I own it and it's mine and I can do that. Alright guys, it is back there. There it is, it's picked up. It's gonna be sick. Harbor Freight, here we come.